Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing another food review from Dairy Queen, and we got this blizzard here, this large blizzard. We're going to be going ahead and taste test it. I'm not sure what flavor it is, but we're going to go ahead and taste test it for you all. That is good. I believe that is... Hold on, let me get another bite. I believe that is chocolate s'mores. But I could be wrong though. But it is so good. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this food review. And with that being said, thank you all for watching. And that'll be it. Bye!